In this video, we're going to install Python on Windows 10 in 90 seconds or less. First, just search Download Python on your favorite search engine. Click the first result from python.org. The page has a yellow download button for the latest version of Python 3. Click the button to download. When it's done, run the installer. Be sure to check the box to add Python 3.8 to Path. This allows us to run it from a terminal window. If you don't have administrator privileges on your computer, you can go into Customize Installation and uncheck For All Users to install it in your user home area. Now click Install and wait for the installer to complete. Let's test it out. Press Windows R to open a Run dialog. Type PowerShell and press OK. Type Python to start an interactive session. You can also type Python -- version if you just want to see the version. Let's try running a script. Type notepad mytest.py and put a print statement in that file. Press Ctrl S to save, then close Notepad. Run the script from the PowerShell session by typing python mytest.py. If all goes well, you should see your message printed on the screen. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.